Hey there, FX traders. Today, we're diving into how to install and configure the Xmaster Formula Indicator on your MetaTrader 5 platform. Let's get started. First off, make sure you've downloaded the Xmaster Formula Indicator MT5 file. You can find the link in the description below. Once that's done, open MetaTrader 5, go to File at the top left corner. From there, click on Open Data folder. Now a folder will pop up. Look for the MQL5 folder. Open it and then find the Indicators folder. Drag your downloaded Xmaster Formula Indicator file into this Indicators folder. Simple as that. After copying the file, go ahead and restart MetaTrader 5. This makes sure the indicator shows up in the Navigator panel. Now open MetaTrader 5 again. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Navigator panel. Right-click on the Xmaster Formula Indicator and choose Attach to the chart. You'll see the indicator pop up below your main trading chart. It's that easy. One of the great things about the Xmaster Formula Indicator is its versatility. You can adjust the settings by going to the Input tab. Got your settings just how you like them? Don't forget to save for future use. And that's it. You've successfully installed and configured the Xmaster Formula Indicator into your MetaTrader 5. This tool offers reliable trading signals that won't change after they're generated. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more trading tips and tricks.